The Universe cards. Number 9. Brown Dwarf. Keyword: failure. Interpretation. People tend to be afraid of failure. In our society, to fail is to seem as unacceptable. The very word has become pejorative and denotes someone who is a loser, a sad case whom others do not want to associate with, for fear that the failure will somehow rub off on them. Success is rewarded and brings recognition, acceptance and love. Failure puts one beyond the pale. Yet to fail is an essential part of being alive. Without failure, there would be no success, no sense of achievement, no lesson learned. It is a truism that we can learn more from our failures than from our successes. This is easy to say, but much more difficult to live. Our attitude to our own failures and to those of others is one of the true tests of life. If the Brown Dwarf card appears, it is indicating to you that you may be tested in some way by an experience of failure. This may be your failure or another's, or it may be the failure of a group, project or idea. Whatever the area of your inquiry, the Brown Dwarf card, number 9, is warning you that the experience of failure will be an integral part of the answer. This does not mean that you should give up on the area of your inquiry, but it does indicate that things may not turn out as you expect, and that you may experience frustration and disappointment. However, the Brown Dwarf card is also a gift. It is offering you an opportunity to grow and mature, but it is not offering you an easy answer or quick solution. It is up to you and you alone to take the test of failure. No one else can do it for you.